Good morning, students. After a long time, we are with each other today. As we know very well that there is a uncurable disease spread all over the world. Okay, not only in India, in each and every country of the world, everyone is suffering from COVID-19, that is called Corona also. Due to that reason, we are unable to teach you offline, it means in schools. That's why we just got an idea that we must start the online classes as we are starting today, by which your study must be continue and your study should not be break. So this is our first day and I am your computer teacher Gauhar Ali, as you know very well. Okay, and except me, all the teachers of your school, all the subjective teachers who are with you, who was teaches you in the school, they will teach you one by one and they will send the videos. So keep your mind very fresh and be much careful according these classes, and see all these videos very carefully and very sincerely, so that you can get everything whatever the teacher want to tell you, whatever the teacher want to explain with you. So guys, this is our first day of online classes after summer vacations. Before starting the classes, before starting the lecture, I would like to inform you all that, as you know very well that before summer vacations, when our online classes was continue, all the teachers gave you homework, sorry, not homework, that was a summer vacation work. So it is information for all the students. If you are and if your relatives or family members, all the things and all the buddies who are related with you and studying in the same school, it means Saint Mary Convent School. So inform each and everyone that please submit all the homework copies into the school as soon as possible. So guys, let's start our classes. As I told you that we will discuss for computer. We will go with introduction and nothing else. This is our first day of class and I don't want to make much pressure on your shoulders. So we will start with computers. I will tell you only one thing, it should not be so much long video, okay? This is computer. First I have to tell you that what is computer. I hope that each and every student in this generation, if he is a student of UP board or CBSE, doesn't matter, everybody knows very well what is computer, but it's my duty to tell you because this is our intro class of computers. So I have to tell you, there are so many books of computers, there are so many writers, and there are different several or thousand type of definitions you will get with the different books, with the different writers. So never ever try to be confused that no, there are some changes in this such and different books. So whatever I am telling you, it is very easy and in a very easy way and in a very easy word. So get it very sincerely and try to understand. If you got any problem during any teacher's teachings, then you can personally talk to the teacher if you are getting any problem. So computer is an electronic device. We can solve any arithmetical and logical problems with the help of computer. We can store a large amount of data in it for a long time, and if we want further, we can use all the data. Now I would like to explain it in Hindi also, because I know that how much you can capture and how much you can get in total English lecture. So कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है, एक विद्युत यंत्र है जिसकी सहायता से हम किसी भी गणितीय या तार्किक समस्याओं का समाधान सरलता पूर्वक कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम ढेर सारे बल्क में, इट मींस की ढेर सारे डाटा को कंप्यूटर के अंदर एक लंबे समय के लिए सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं और फिर आवश्यकता पड़ने पर पुनः उन सारे डाटा को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। नाउ देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस ड्यूरिंग दिस Definition. As I told you, computer is an electronic device. We can solve any arithmetical and logical problems with the help of computer. We can store a large amount of data in it for a long time, and we can use that data further we want to use. So I have to tell you 2-3 things during this or in this definition. First, I have to tell you data. So keep it very carefully, read it and listen it very carefully. What is data? In many times in our society, somebody says data, somebody says data. So never ever try to be confused. What is data and what is data? Okay. So first I have to make it clear what is data and what is data. If you will just try to recognize that what is data and what is data. Data means DATA, and data you will say this is data. So it is not a word. Is it clear? It is not a word. Understand? Data, it is not any word in English or Hindi dictionary. Only and only one thing, that is data. What is data? I can tell you very easily that raw instructions that we give to the computers, that is called data. Or in the other hand, we can see a set of instructions is called data. So guys, I hope it is sufficient for today. In the second video we will go with another things. Okay, so one thing that is your homework, that you have to learn whatever I told you in Hindi or English. Write all the things or both definition Hindi or English in your copy and try to learn. Is it clear? Okay, we will see you soon.